taste of the White House close to home. I'm Jill Horner. This is Comcast Newsmakers. With me this hour is Jessie Marushek. She is Development Coordinator for HealthLink Medical Center. Thanks for being with us, Jessie.
My pleasure.
Before we get into your upcoming fundraiser, which is all about food and an inside glimpse into the White House, let's talk a little bit about what you do as an organization, because you work to serve adults who don't have insurance.
Exactly. We are a free clinic serving people who are working hard in the community and just cannot afford the cost of private health insurance, or their employers don't provide it for them.
And these are working adults, as you mentioned. What are some of the types of services that you work to provide through HealthLink?
We focus on primary care, so regular medical examinations. We do primary dental care, teeth cleanings, extractions, things to keep our patients healthy, preventative care. We have diabetics who need to get their insulin, so we'll have them in to check their blood glucose levels on a regular basis.
So those are just some of the examples, but you work to keep this as close to a primary care physician's office as possible.
Absolutely. We're not a walk-in clinic. All patients have to make an appointment, and they'll be able to see our medical nurse practitioner first so that we can treat the whole patient, and then they'll go and be able to get into the dental clinic if necessary.
Now let's talk a little bit about the staffers, because this is an organization that is volunteer driven. You have medical professionals that donate their time.
Right. We have a very small core staff of admin and a few medical practitioners, but otherwise we have over 70 volunteer doctors, dentists, nurses, nurse practitioners, dental hygienists. We're really a volunteer-run clinic.
And this can really make a difference for someone in terms of that preventative aspect of their medical life.
Absolutely, and we're really helping the emergency rooms and our community by offsetting the costs of our patients. Somebody who has diabetes and is in trouble, doesn't have insulin, would go to the emergency room if we weren't around.
Now, you are, as you mentioned, volunteer-driven, and you are celebrating the 10th anniversary of the organization with an amazing fundraiser. And this is all about food and the chef who once worked at the White House.
Yes, we're so excited. We're doing this to honor our founders, the Eugene Jackson family. So we have Walter Scheib, who's coming. He was the chef of the White House for 11 years during the Clinton and Bush administrations. He's prepared state dinners for all famous people, Lady Diana, Nelson Mandela, and so he's created a very special menu for us. Halibut that was Chelsea Clinton's favorite, tequila glazed smoked Angus tenderloin that was a favorite of George Bush, a lovely dessert for Laura Bush. So it's going to be a very tasty evening.
In addition to trying some of the foods that were presidential favorites, we'll actually hear from Chef Scheib and learn a little bit about what it was like to actually work on these dinners, work at the White House.
Yes, our guests are going to have a total virtual tour of the White House fair. So as the first course is served, Chef Scheib will describe exactly how he makes it, possibly share the recipe, and tell the story behind the White House and when he made that.
And actually creating these delicious dishes. Where is this actually being held? How do we get tickets?
We're having it at Manufacturers Golf and Country Club, which is in Fort Washington. It's just a lovely place. Tickets are available on our website at www.healthlinkmedical.org. They can also contact me through our phone number, which will be displayed. And we're expecting tickets to sell out. The invitations haven't even gone out yet, and ticket sales are soaring.
And this is all happening on April 29th. We just have a few seconds left, but you have some great auction items as well.
We do. We're doing an 8-day, 7-night trip to one of 12 destinations of the winner's choice. So that should be fabulous, all-inclusive.
All right, and you're looking for sponsors and people to get involved. Thanks so much for being with us, Jessie.
Thank you so much.
And again, a taste of the White House is happening on April 29th. We've been talking with Jessie Marushek. I'm Jill Horner for Comcast Newsmakers.